Today we're going to practice drawing graffiti style letters. So the first thing you want to do is figure out a word that you would like to create, or you can create your name. I'm going to do the word art for mine. So whenever you are doing lettering, you're going to start by lightly drawing your letters on first. So we want to leave a little bit of space between them so that we can add on to them after. Okay. Okay, so I've got my word there, and then normally when we would do like a bubble letter or a block letter, we would just kind of outline around the entire letter. We're going to do that, but we're going to stop when we get to the ends of the letter, because that's where we'll be adding on to create more of a graffiti style. Don't forget to do the inside spaces too. And remember to draw lightly. If you make a mistake, it's a lot easier to erase. I forgot this end right here. I should erase that one. So let's do the T. Okay, so now we're going to be adding some different shapes to the end of each letter. But first, we want to go back with our eraser and just erase that inside letter. So we're going to get rid of that part. Okay, so now we're going to add some different shapes to the ends of the letter to create more of that graffiti style. So you can experiment with adding triangles to the ends if you want it to look more like an arrow. You can make kind of curvy shapes if you'd like. This is where you can kind of create your own style. You can add squares and rectangles. Let's see. I'm going to do another arrow down here, I think. Make it go way down. I'm making my letters kind of overlap each other. That's kind of a common thing that you'll see in graffiti style letters as well. Okay, so get creative with how you want to design the ends of your letters. Okay, so now I've got my main part of my design. To make the letters look more 3D, I'm just going to add an extra side to the left sides of my letter. So for instance, for the A, I'm going to kind of extend things. I'm just kind of outlining right along the edge of the letter. I'm leaving a little space. That's going to create kind of a shadow effect. Make them look more three-dimensional. So you want to do that with each of your letters. And remember to just stick to the same side. So if you start with the left side, you want to do that for each letter. If you start with the right side, you want to do that for each letter too. So stay consistent. That'll make those shadows look more realistic. Let's see, a little bit here. All right. So there's my main design there in pencil.